Legends of Learning presents the Pastry Engineering game. This is a science game that makes learning about the engineering design process fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, get ready to embark on a sweet STEM adventure with Pastry Engineering. This hands-on game mixes baking, building, and brain-teasing challenges into one irresistible experience where force, motion, and creativity are the secret ingredients. Team up with the charming Gingerbread Man as you snap together cookie blocks, whip up cream jets, and launch microwaved eggs to conquer physics-based puzzles, then collect tasty macaroons along the way. Learn and apply the engineering design process from ask and research through imagine, plan, create, test, and improve. With story mode, build, test, and taste success. Using simple controls, place objects to create a cake delivery vehicle. Test its performance and improve based upon the results. Have fun and enjoy playing.